Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Um, Good morning, everyone. My name is Fitri Hasari. I'm from Group 11, and with my friends Fajar Dalmi Lutfi. Now we are going to explain about article. Okay. Next, article error. An article error is one of the which of the article has been used incorrectly. The article which belong the group of the modifiers called determinant are a, an, the zero article, and the. Common problem. Problem 1. The zero article has been used when a or the is needed. Di sini maksudnya a, an, dan the itu adalah jenis kata artikel yang dibagi menjadi dua kategori, yaitu definiti dan identity. Kata definiti itu the, sedangkan a dan an itu adalah identity. Kata the itu menyatakan suatu hal yang pasti, sedangkan a dan an menyatakan suatu hal yang sifatnya umum atau general. Lanjut ke contoh. Incorrect. Yesterday, I finally went to pay my overdue fine at library. Correct. Yesterday, I finally went to pay my overdue fine at the library. Nah, di sini kenapa menggunakan the? Karena dia itu definiti, yaitu dia menunjukkan tempat yang sudah pasti. Maka dari itu dia menggunakan the, sedangkan yang di atas tidak menggunakan karena salah. The next example, she bought book and ballpoint as birthday gift. The correct, she bought a book and a ballpoint pen as the birthday gift. Nah, di situ kenapa dia menggunakan karena dia itu singular. Next, problem 2. The article has been used where zero article is needed. Example, incorrect. A good friend give an advice when asked. Correct. A good friend give article when asked. Nah, berarti seharusnya kita ini di sini menggunakan zero article. Kenapa dia tidak yang correct? A good friends give advice when asked, dia tidak menggunakan an, karena advice itu adalah uncountable. Uncountable itu tidak bisa dihitung. Maka dari itu kita tidak perlu menggunakan an lagi, karena di sini kita menggunakan zero article. Next, the same example. Incorrect. My uncle has advised reason for his decision. Correct. My uncle has advised reason for his decision. Nah, di sini sama seperti yang di atas. Kenapa dia tidak menggunakan an lagi? Karena advice itu dia uncountable dan tidak perlu lagi menggunakan an. Okay. I think that my presentation and will be continue with my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fajar Dalmi Lutfi and I'm from Group 11 and my friend group is Fitri Hasari, and I want to tell about problem 3 and 4. And problem 3 is the article A has been used for the or vice versa. In example, incorrect. My cousin live the premises, and the correct, my cousin live a productive life as a premises. And why incorrect? This is incorrect because my cousin life is productive. The productive is indefinite. It means that uncountable noun, and he should use a. And the correct, my cousin live a productive life as a pharmacist. And the next example, incorrect. My lab partner has books you want him to find. And the correct, my lab partner has the books you want him to find. And this is why first is incorrect, has a books, because a books is this is a definites, and definites use a D. Then my lab partner has the books you want him to find, and this is the correct, because books is a uncountable noun. This is a definites, and it's why use D. And the next problem 4, the article A or D have been used instead of another determiner. And the first incorrect, whenever I go to the library, I remember that I need the library card. And correct, whenever I go to the library, I remember that I need my library card. And why it should use my? Because these articles are part of whole system of determiners, which includes possessive pronouns. For example, my, your, and that's why I remember that I need use Y, not D, because this is instead of another determiner. And the next incorrect, restaurant employees need to wash the hands frequently. And correct, restaurant employees need to wash their hands. And this is a demonstrative adjective like this, that, those, and quantifiers and like some or any, every. And that's why restaurant employees need to use their hands, because this is include a definite. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.